Brendan Fraser is an American-Canadian actor. He is the youngest of four boys, was born in Indianapolis, Indiana, the son of Canadian parents Carol Mary and Peter Fraser. His mother was a sales counselor and his father was a former journalist who worked as a Canadian Foreign Service officer for the Government Office of Tourism. His maternal uncle, George Jenneru, was the only Canadian to win a gold medal in the 1952 Summer Olympics at the Olympic Trap. He has three older brothers, Kevin, Regan, and Sean. He has Irish, Scottish, German, Czech, and French-Canadian ancestry. He holds dual American and Canadian citizenship. He graduated from Seattle's Cornish College of the Arts in 1990. He began acting at a small acting college in New York City. He planned on studying toward a Master of Fine Arts in acting from Southern Methodist University but stopped in Hollywood on the way and decided to stay there to work in film. Fraser met actress Afton Smith while attending a barbecue at Winona Ryder's house on July 4, 1993. They married on September 27, 1998 and had three sons, Griffin Arthur Fraser, Holden Fletcher Fraser, and Leland Francis Fraser. After their home in Beverly Hills, California sold in April 2007 for $3 million, Fraser's publicist announced in December 2007 that the couple decided to divorce. Fraser speaks French and serves on the board of directors for Film Aid International. He is an accomplished amateur photographer and has used several instant cameras in movies and on TV shows, most notably on his guest roles on Scrubs. In October 2021, Fraser was cast to portray the villain Firefly in the superhero film Batgirl set in the DC Extended Universe. In January 2021, Fraser was announced as part of the cast of Darren Aronofsky's upcoming film The Whale. In August of the same year, Fraser was announced as part of the cast of Martin Scorsese's upcoming film Killer of the Flower Moon, as well as Max Barbacoa's upcoming comedy film Brothers. Also in 2021, Fraser played gangster Doug Jones in Steven Soderbergh's period crime film No Sudden Move. He is known for portraying the character of Rick O'Connell in the Mummy film series. In 2016, Fraser replaced Ray Liotta in the Bollywood thriller Line of Descent. Fraser later joined the recurring cast of the television drama series The Affair during season 3, where he portrayed the misery-minded prison guard Gunther. He portrayed Getty family fixer James Fletcher Chase in the FX anthology series Trust, which premiered on March 25, 2018. Fraser portrayed Clifford Cliff, Steel or Robot Man in the Titans TV series, with Jake Michaels physically portraying Robot Man. In 2013, he played an Elvis Presley impersonator in the ensemble black comedy Pawn Shop Chronicles. He has also made guest appearances on the television shows Scrubs, King of the Hill and The Simpsons. In March 2006, he was inducted into Canada's Walk of Fame, the first American-born actor to receive the honor. However, as of 2019, he does not have a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. He has also made guest appearances on the television shows Scrubs, King of the Hill and The Simpsons. In March 2016, he was inducted into Canada's Walk of Fame, the first American-born actor to receive the honor. However, as of 2019, he does not have a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame.